Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you something which is very important for you. Like everyone do conversation with the many peoples. Like you are also doing, conversation with the many peoples, communicate with many peoples. But do you know and do you think about it while conversation with anyone? So, what's your impression? What's your reaction going with your partner? So I'm going to tell you in a detail. Like you talk a person. But if you want to make your conversation impressive, like your partner will impress to you, so it's very easy. Like I tell you some things. For example, you are saying, I want to tell you. I want to tell you. This is a simple word. There is no any correction, there is no any modification in this sentence. But if you want to, this sentence more impressive to your partner, so you have to say, I wanna tell you. Like instead of want, you say I wanna. So it makes your conversation impressive and your partner impress you. So you say I wanna tell you. So it's I wanna tell you, I want to tell you. These two sentences have the same meaning, but what's the difference? The difference is from accent and the impressions who get from these sentences. Another word, if I tell you, like for examples, it's similar to want, is go, going like this. So instead of go, going, you have to say gonna. So I'm gonna tell you, it's also similar to want. So if you want to your conversation impressive, so you have to say wanna, gonna. So it makes like your conversation very impressive. The person who conversation with you, communicate with you, they got a very good expression, good impression from you. So these tips will help you to improve your English, to improve your communication with many people. You give a very positive impression to your partner, to your communicator. So this is enough for this video. This is some small tips and tricks and things which I tell you. Hopefully you understand it. All the things which I tell you in this video, and comment on section box if you have any query. We made another video. Thank you.